Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 1. Number 1 with a light green color. Next is number 2. Number 2 with a red color. This is number 2 with a red color. Next is number 3. Number 3 with a yellow color. Number 4 and number 4 with a brown color. Next number is number 5. Number 5 with a blue color. Next is number 6. Number 6 with a brown color. Number 7. Blue color. Next is number 8 and number 8 with a light green color. Number 9. This is number 9 with a red color. Next is number 10. 1 0 10 with a yellow color. Now we will revise and you have to revise with me, okay? This is number 1, light green color. Number 2, red color. Number 3 with yellow color. 4, brown color. 5 with a blue color. Number 6 with a brown color. 7 with blue color. 8, light green color. Number 9 with a red color. And 1 0 10 with yellow color. Hope you like the video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Ovia. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.